Alright, so today we're going to be doing some ice fishing. Just got all our crap packed up. It's kind of like supposed to snow 2 feet today with winds up to 40 miles an hour. So we thought it'd be a good day to go ice fishing. No, we got a snow day today, so we're going to be going down. I guess we'll stay down there as long as we can. It's like 9 o'clock right now. We got to leave at 3, and hopefully we can stay down there that long. We got the shack, but forgot the heater, so we'll see. We're gonna get down there, set up the shack, and hopefully we can catch a few fish. All right, we just got on the pond. We're going to go to where we know where there's a bunch of pickerel, where we caught a whole bunch of pickerel last video, or I guess last time we were out here, but we're gonna set up right along that bank where we were catching them last time. And then we're gonna go try to find a deep area for some bass a little later. We'll see, and we'll start getting some holes. And hopefully we can catch a few fish. No, I ordered it.
Maybe you could show me.
Alright, we're gonna pretty much just use the eye bobber and try to find weeds. We know this is a pretty decent place because we fished out here like a couple weeks ago. Well, we're gonna use the eye bobber down, see what we got, and then just drill out this whole shoreline. Hopefully we can get some fish. Should be able to.
Not that lively.
He'll be alright. We'll probably get some wind flags today, but
It's worth it.
first flag, go drill some more holes. Is it going? Or is it a wind flag? Did it? First flag of the day.
Yeah, see?
Yep, there's a fish. Flag, oh no, that's not a flag.
That was what I
Well, that was a fish. It took like half a second for this flag to go off.
Yeah.
I hooked him for a second, but that's a good sign. Well, this trap has been there for like 5 seconds. Got a fish going right now. I just put a new bait on. Got him.
Yeah.
There we go, boys. Just had this flag set off. We're just resetting it. Saw him take it. Not a big fish, but first fish of the day. This flag's been in for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, go down now.
Dropping them down.
Yeah, that's a good one.
And I think that we'll probably get a few fish on this flag because I saw a whole bunch of fish down there on the eye bobber. All right, we got our flags out. Now it's hail, and all of our stuff is soaking wet. We caught one fish, had 4 flags. The wind flags are going up a lot, but we're in a new spot, deep water. Hopefully we'll get a bass. We might try a different spot off a point in a little bit. We'll see. We're gonna get the shack up, start jigging, because this is getting wet. They're like big pieces of hail. Yep, good day to go ice fishing. This one's not going at all, but that's usually all the pickerel at, so. Get him?
Oh, holy crap.
Good one? No. Finally hooked one. It's pretty cold out, so we're gonna get him right back in. Right back in that slush hole. Fish number 2. Dude, I think that's in the weeds, but nicer pickerel. I think we sent the trap back.
Oh.
Hey, we might just need to put new bait on. Oh, there's another fish. As soon as we set the trap back, that seems usually how it goes. We catch a fish and then we put the trap back in and get you another one. There he is. Yeah, a little bit better one, probably the best one all day.
Oh, he's good down there.
Back in the slush hole. We might just need to put new bait on. That might have been our problem. But as you can see, our bait's not doing so hot, so. Oh, your turn again, I guess. Alright, so today we're out here doing some ice fishing, but we kind of got here late, and we have pretty much, it's, what, 4:30 right now?
Yeah.
4:30 right now. It's gonna get dark at 5:30, so we have 1 hour. We only have 3 traps out. We're gonna start drilling holes. Usually we fish here and there's no holes. There's old holes everywhere, so this bank has been fished a lot, which is too bad, but oh, flag. We just got these set out.
Oh,
He's on there.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Got him.
That's a little tiny.
Little tiny. Got a flag. Alright. Got another flag. Just let that fish go. He's on there. Got him. Okay, well, we missed that fish, but when I fished with Sam yesterday, he accidentally took my eye bobber home. We didn't bring that out, so we don't have anything to tell us the depth or where the fish are, but that obviously doesn't matter. We've had 2 flags. I already got 5 flags set up right here. This is a good pickerel spot, so we're gonna go down to where Sam caught a bass a couple weeks ago, put a couple flags down there, and then come back and finish drilling this whole shoreline probably. But yeah, hopefully we can catch a few fish. We only got like an hour, so can't even get done setting this flag, and we got one. And we got a flag back over our pickerel fishing, so we're gonna set up these 3 flags real quick, and then go get that flag. All right, we had to completely reset that trap because I caught that pickerel, so it's been a couple minutes since this has been off, but hopefully he's still on there. Oh yeah, he's on there. Get him?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Oh, bass! Nice. I thought our bass lines were gonna be down there. Let's go, dude. All right, draw him back down the water. I gotta go get my pliers. All right, got him unhooked. He should be good. Oh yeah, kicked right away. We have only 8 flags out. We can have 10 holes. Might drill 2 jigging holes. Don't know. But we only had an hour tonight, so a bass and a pickerel is good. I'm just glad we got a bass this year. March 7th. The ice will only probably be safe till the end of the month, and we just finally caught a bass, so we're gonna get this guy reset and hopefully we can catch a few more fish. All right, I just came to check this flag and definitely got a fish on there. Got him that time. Pickerel, I think. Yep. Little pickerel. Well, I only got a dozen minnows tonight because I knew we were only going to be out here for like an hour, and they are now gone. So probably going to drill 2 more holes, get our limit of lines out, fish till dark, which is going to be in like 20 minutes, and hopefully we can catch a few more fish. Oh, we just came out here to check our deep flags, and this flag wasn't set off, but there's a pickerel on it, and he choked the bait, so he's dead. But yeah, pretty good night. We caught 3 or 4 pickerel. Sam caught that bass. It's definitely wrapping up. Well, it is 6:15. We just got all our stuff picked up. My phone just died. It was not a bad night. We had only an hour to fish, and probably more like, I don't know, a half hour with 8 lines in. And the sun went down before we were even done setting our lines, so this pond is definitely a timing place. We've been out here for 6+ hours midday and only caught 2. And then we came out here one time at like 2 o'clock, fished till dark, and caught a ton of fish. Now we're gonna head back. It's a good day. Probably have a couple more ice fishing videos, and then it's gonna be open water season. So got a bass, caught a few pickerel, and it was a good day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.